In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out with the Wix platform, understanding how to adjust and organize the layout of your website is essential for creating a visually appealing and user-friendly site. Now, let's dive into the process of moving sections within your Wix editor. To begin, you'll want to have your Wix editor open. Once you're there, take a look at the page layout and identify the specific section that you want to move. It's important to have a clear idea of where you'd like to place it in your overall design to ensure everything flows seamlessly. With your section identified, go ahead and click on it directly within the editor. This action will highlight the section, and you'll notice that on the right side there are arrows that will allow you to move your section up or down. These arrows provide a quick way to rearrange sections, but if you have multiple sections to adjust, clicking repeatedly might become a bit tedious. So let's look at a more efficient approach. After clicking the section, what you can do is locate the three dots icon, typically found towards one side of the section. Another convenient option is simply to right-click on the section itself. Once you've done either of these, you'll see a menu that appears, offering various options. One of these options will be to cut the section. Think of this as temporarily removing the section from its current spot so that you can place it elsewhere later on. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can opt for that method instead by pressing Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This is a handy trick to know and speeds up the process significantly. Now, with the section cut from its original location, it's time to move it to its new home on your site. Navigate to the area where you'd like to place the section. You can either click on the area or position your cursor there. Once you're ready, you simply need to paste the section into place. You can do this by either right-clicking and selecting the paste option or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Your section should now appear in the new location, fitting seamlessly into the site's structure. And that's it. You've successfully moved a section within your Wix site. By mastering these simple steps, you're giving yourself the flexibility to design your site exactly how you envision it, organizing content for optimal flow and interaction. Remember to preview your site to make sure everything looks as intended before publishing your changes. With practice, managing your Wix site layout will become second nature, ensuring your website is as engaging and effective as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in empowering you to take full control over your website's design.